I'm Dr. R.K. Shankaranarayanan, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. I'm going to the part of engineering chemistry topic, electrochemistry, and in this case, electroplating of gold, AU. AU means here it's gold. What is the importance of electroplating in the, especially with gold? Just we are covering things we have to use the coating of gold. It will protect the corrosion and it has lot of benefit. So just it's like a simple process, it's not a heavy process. Just we are using anode and cathode. Just we are first step, just we are immersing the metal inside the solution, which one is we are going to plate the gold. So here we are using gold as the outline of material. Just think about our covering jewelries. Just we are using copper metal. In this copper metal, just we are coating the gold plate. So just that is called copper metal coated by gold. So that is called gold plating. Here there will be anode and cathode, oxidation and reduction. Both things will takes place in the experiment. So it's a huge project, but it's a very important process in the electrochemistry. So here the parameter is common electrolyte for both an anode and cathode. Generally, if you are using gold, we have to use sodium auric form of cyanide or potassium auric form of cyanide. So we are using common solution. So electrolyte anode in platinum or stainless steel we are using, and cathode will be the jewelry plate. Which example, which one you are going to coat? Generally, we will use copper will be the metal. In the copper metal, we used to plate do the plating on. Especially gold will plate on the copper. So the pH solution optimum condition is 4 to 7. It's almost acidic and neutral. The temperature will be minimum 50 degree will be there. And the parameter of density, we use the typical range as is that 0.5 and 2 to Armstrong decimeter square. And voltage will be 2 to 3 volt. That will be minimum voltage we used to use in this case. The time of plating is based on this shear thickness. If you want more layer, we have to do more. If you want single minimum layer, we have to use minimum time. And simple process that agitation will be stirring and bubbling, that will be help to support uniform coating. So what are the things we have to empathize in this case? We need shiny one without corrosion and a thin coating with low cost material. And how we have to do these things, which one will be act as a gold or anode and cathode. We have to think about those concepts, and voltage, current, and all the aspects we have to think about it, and what will be the cost, and how the metals we are going to place on the copper. So these are all the things we have to use, whether it's eco-friendly concept or we have to think about it. So it's like a gold cyanide, and then that will lose the electron. That will be gold separately, it will come, and cyanide will be different form. That gold process will based on the metal, copper or silver used to coat the gold, which will be the thin layer. So what will happen, that enhance the appearance or resistance, conductivity, all the concept which involved in this process. So the gold plating is just depositing of the metal on some metals, and that will enhance the appearance and conductivity and like electronics and decorative things. It's huge applications. Generally, we use copper or silver. What is a chemical reaction? That gold cyanide, that will lose the electron, that silver salt will form, and then the two cyanide will go out, that gold will deposit on the plate. Generally this, you see this image, okay, that left one is the gold solution Re chloride, that right one is the coins, just how they are coating, how it's showing the color. So this is the electroplating 24K. And different applications of biodegradable medical devices and aerospace engineering and jewelry, all the places it's involved. It's a generally gold is non-toxic, that's why we are using, and recyclable material, and it's a very good in plating process, and designing we can think about more and more durable coatings. Okay, this is the setups just for simple example. Here the plate is gold and another one is copper wire. So if it's apply the current, the gold will go and sit on the copper through the electrolyte solution. Thank you.